Yeah, I'm sitting reading. I turn to my right and I realize it's been about a month and a half. I teased these on Instagram, which was sent to me by Calmdo, these vacuum sealers, and I realized, hey, wait a minute, this thing is just crowding up my living room. It's time to do a giveaway. Hey, what's up, soldiers? Chris here, caribbeanpot.com. Always a pleasure having you guys in the kitchen here with me. We are not cooking today. We are doing a giveaway. We've got 3 of those vacuum sealers. 1 for Iman, 2 to give away. So 2 people will win one of these vacuum sealers. If you're wondering, yeah, you're clicking and wondering, well, Chris, who won the dishwasher you gave away the last time? Go down to the end of the video. Yes, you have to go down to the end of the video and you'll see the name there. Maybe it's you, maybe it isn't. Who knows? But go down to the end of the video. But today, special thanks to our friends over at Calmdo for sending us these vacuum sealers. You know, when they give me something, I usually tell them, listen, I want to give my friends and family and everybody else, because you guys are my family at the end of the day. So let's take a peek at what's in the box. Then we're going to talk about how you can enter your name to win 1 of 2. So 2 people will be winning one of these vacuum sealers. Irie? In the box, we've got a little manual. We've got the bags, so you're prepared. We've got another little thank you little card from Calmdo showing you where to get support and stuff like that. All the website, everything is mentioned there. We've got a suction hose. And if you recall, the last giveaway we did with the vacuum sealer, this one is a bit more high-tech, and I'll say why. Because this one, you can feed the bag through here, and this is an automatic. You don't need scissors. Hey, gone are the days when you need scissors. This is an automatic cutter here. Then, if we look over here, there's a bit more features to this one. We have the seal, the natural setting, the soft setting, the different settings here. Plus, we've got that stop and clean feature there. So right away, I can see this one has made quite a few improvements on the last one that they had. Additionally, the new sealing feature, you insert the bag inside of here, and that is where it sucks all the air out, and then it would seal it. So you'd cut the bag to the size, you would stock it, choose your feature here, the setting that you want, bag inside here, and boom bam, you've sealed up your stuff. I'll show you a quick something. This here is bitter melon or corally, which I grew in my garden last year. So we're in April. I harvested this back in August of 2020, and I kid you not, if I were to open this bag, I've noticed all the air is gone from it. There's no freezer burn or anything. The little bit of frosting you're seeing there, that is because I just took it out of the freezer. But the point is, fresh out of my garden, it still has that lovely green color, the texture and everything else. So yo, I get good use out of my vacuum sealer. So in the event you're wondering, well, Chris, what would I do with a vacuum sealer? Maybe you garden and you're like me. My peppers goes in there, my beans, my bitter melon, and that bitter melon is for my dad. My parents have been stuck in the Caribbean for over a year now. When they finally get a chance to come back to Canada because of COVID, my dad will have his bitter melon. I don't like bitter melon, but my dad love it. It helps with his diabetes and stuff like that. He's getting that fresh, almost as if I just picked it off the tree. Maybe stuff comes on sale at the grocery store. You buy too much. Maybe you go to the Costco or wherever it is, those big wholesale clubs. You buy a lot of stuff. You just want to, you know, package it up, boom, bam, and it's in the freezer. Stop wasting food. Freeze in those vacuum sealer bags, man. I'm telling you, times are tough. Start saving stuff, buying in bulk, breaking it down, saving it in the freezer for when you... Here's the other thing. You make that best oxtail. You have a little bit left over, but you know, you've already have it a couple of days now and you're like, wait a minute, what do I do with it? Exactly. In a freezer bag, in the freezer. You want it next week when, you know, you're feeling for a taste at home. Boom, bam, you warm it up and next thing you know, you have a lovely deal, a lovely meal. Deal. Anyhow, friends, that is me trying to convince you why you need a vacuum sealer in your life. Now, here's the details on how to enter to win one of these. As with everything that I do, I like to make it simple. There are two ways to enter. If you're watching this video, there's a comment section below. Drop a comment telling me why you need this vacuum sealer. Well, one of the two that I'm giving away. Or head over to caribbeanpot.com. You'll see a post on there. Just leave a comment on that post, the giveaway post for the Calmdo vacuum sealer, and that is it. It is open to everyone globally. I don't care if you won something before, you can still enter your name. Iman will ship it. Full details will be listed back there on caribbeanpot.com, but for now, drop a comment below. Boom, your name is automatically entered for one of two of these Calmdo vacuum sealers. Special thanks to the kind folks over at Calmdo. You guys are the best, man. Ari, and good luck. Good luck. Yes.